everyone, I am Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing one more explanatory solution of codezinger question using JavaScript. We will solve this question. Number of substring divisible by 6. It means we have a string consisting of integer 0 to 9. We will find the substring which are divisible by 6. Substring does not contain leading zeros. It means we have 606 is a string. First we will find their substring. Then we will check every string and for finding the divisible by 6 or not. Then we will come for this. First we will read this input by readline function which is already declared here, line number 17 to 19. Let S is a string by using string keyword. I read it by readline function. And then if I pass this S as a parameter of solution function, which simply prints this input, console.log, in which I am passing this variable, then I invoke this function, solution function, in res variable, and if I console this res, I find this string. Yes. First, the logic behind this string. We will find substring for 606 and then we will check divisibility by 6. Then we will count. First, let count is a variable in which I am assigning 0 initially. Then is another variable which is also initialized by 0. Then for accessing every integer or every value which is present in this string, then I am using for loop. Let for loop in which I first declare a variable I which is initialized by 0. It will check all the character which is present in this string. That's why I put it a condition as less than s dot len. For incrementing value of I am using increment operator here. Then in this for loop, first I declare a variable ram for reminder, which is in which I am assigning 0. Then for checking other strings, I am declaring another loop in which I am assigning a variable. I am declaring a variable j which is initialized by I. It will also check all the elements present in this string. Then for incrementing the value of j, I am using post increment operator here. In this, first I check a is equal to, then because the condition is here, substring does not contain leading zeros. That's why I remove s of j minus 0, because this is a string in which I am writing 0 in a double quotes. Then I store in a variable. Then next condition is zero. The next condition is if value of I. It means I is equal to j. We will check both condition here by using AND operator. If I equal to j and a equal to 0, then count will be increment by 1. Then for terminating the loop, I am using break keyword here. Then next condition will be, we know that any number is divisible by 2 or 3, both the integers. It will also divisible by 6. That's why I am using another condition by using if conditional statement. I check if a is divisible by 2. It means after dividing a, the remainder is 0 and remainder rem plus a divided by 3 has remainder 0. Count will increment by 1. Then next is in remainder we will assign rem plus a that modulus 3 is 0. If it is 0, then we will return this count. If I check this code, something is missing. Condition is true and after balancing. Okay, I am assigning remainder plus a if after dividing by 3. The remainder has values. If I test all the test cases here, yes, this is in this question. Basically, first I find all the substring, then after finding substring, I part all the substrings which is divisible by 6. We can find divisible by 6 by giving a condition if any integers or numbers is divisible by both the number 2 and 3. It is surely divisible by 6. That's why I am applying this logic here in this question. This is a perfect code to find all the substrings divisible by 6. Thank you so much. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any doubt or suggestion regarding this video, you can comment in this comment section. We will solve another question of codezinger in another video.